guys, I'm Michael, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the HL-L2350DW Brother laser printer. It's a great value, minimalist, efficient, and simple to use wireless printer for any family or individual. So let's get started. Damn! When unboxing the printer, you'll find the printer protected in styrofoam. Additionally, there will be a Brother disc for installing drivers and utilities, an included and wrapped drum unit and starter toner cartridge assembly, and a quick setup guide. It is important to note that although there is a Type B USB port in the back of the printer, there is no Type A to B USB cable included with the package. So if you also want a wired connection, you will need to buy the cable separately. Now for the printer. So I'm going to start off by measuring the dimensions of the printer. The length is roughly 14 inches. The width is roughly 13 3/4 inches. And the height is around 7 inches. Here's also a size 10 Mizuno shoebox for comparison. And let us not forget the time after time most trusted and commonplace comparison object, the banana. On the back of the printer, you'll see a USB Type B port and a non-modular power cable. This cord I have in my hand is the USB Type A/B cord that is used for a wired connection between your printer and the computer. But as I had mentioned earlier, it is not included with the printer. Additionally, you can send print jobs to the printer with a wired and wireless connection simultaneously. At the top of the printer, you'll find an LCD screen and 6 control keys. The power key is used to turn on or turn off the printer. The back, enter, down minus, and up plus keys are all used to set up and navigate settings in the printer. You can also do this via your computer in the printer's settings folder if you download the drivers on your computer. The Wi-Fi key can be pressed to set up or disable a wireless connection, and the light turns on when it is connected to a network. And lastly, the green Go key is used to clear any error messages or to print any remaining jobs left in the memory. The printer also has 2 energy saving features called the sleep and the deep sleep mode whenever the printer is idle. Both features reduce power consumption of the printer by acting as though the printer was turned off. The deep sleep mode occurs after and reduces more power consumption than the sleep mode. Additionally, when in either mode, the printer can still receive print jobs. However, there is a short warm-up time, less than 9 seconds, before it can print. A way to avoid the warm-up time is to press any of the control panel keys, which will wake the printer and prime it to print quicker. Onto the paper tray. At the bottom of the front panel is the paper feed tray. The width and the length can be adjusted by pressing the green tabs as shown. The tray can hold A6, A5, B5, Executive, A4, Legal, and letter-sized paper. Note that when adjusting the length for legal-sized paper, the tray will need to be extended by pressing a tab, and this will extend the tray past the back of the printer. Additionally, the feed tray is limited to 250 pages, and fortunately here, I have 250 pieces of letter-sized paper that I counted. You'll have to trust me on this. Just do it! That I will be putting in. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now on top of the paper feed tray is a manual feed tray where the width can be adjusted. Now for the best part, the printing. One of the features I like about this printer is its ability to print double-sided. To sample the double-sided printing, I will be printing the first 2 pages of the Brother reference guide from my computer via a wired connection. And as you can see, The print was a success, and both pages were printed on the front and back of one sheet. Another great feature of this printer is its ability to connect to a wireless network to receive print jobs. This means you can print on your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer, as long as they are all connected to the same network the printer is. To demonstrate this, I will be sending a print job through my dad's iPhone connected to our home Wi-Fi. To save on the toner, I will be printing a blank page. And voila, it worked. One thing I want to note is that it can be quite cumbersome to enter your network password using the control panel keys. So don't be guessing and get it right the first time. Onto the toner and drum. The starter toner cartridge included with the printer is rated to last approximately 700 prints. The printer is compatible with both the TN730 and TN760 replacement toner cartridges that have a lifespan of 1200 and 3000 prints, respectively. The included drum is rated to last approximately 12,000 prints and can be replaced with the DR730 model unit. Now I will be showing you guys how to install the drum unit and starter toner cartridge that came included with the printer. So the first thing you want to do is remove it from its packaging, which I have. This is the original packaging. And then you will see that there's this orange plastic piece on. You want to remove it from the sides first. Pop them right off. It should come off pretty easily. And then you're gonna open up the toner tray by popping this tab up and then pulling out. Then you're gonna take your toner. You're going to insert it like this, so the Brother logo is facing up, and this is the bottom side. You're going to fit it in. It should fit in pretty nicely. And I'm just using one hand right now. But yeah, you'll feel it lock and pop. And that is how you install the toner. Pretty easy and straightforward. So before I purchased this printer, I did all my printing at a local library. It was fine for the most part, but at times it was inconvenient, which made me wonder if getting my own printer would be worth it. Well, was it worth it? Doing some quick back of the hand calculations, at the time I purchased the printer, it was $100 on Amazon. A 750 count pack of Up and Up printer paper at Target costs $5.49. Roughly equating to $0.007 per piece of paper. And with the 700 page rated starter toner cartridge included with the printer, the total cost of 700 single prints at home would be $104.90. At the library, a single black and white page would cost 15 cents to print, so 700 prints would cost me $105, meaning I would get my money's worth at around 700 prints. In either scenarios, I did not account for the cost of electricity printing at home, assuming the printer is constantly on, or the cost of gas to get to the library. It may take me a while before I reach 700 print jobs, but considering the convenience of printing at home whenever I need to, the ability to extend the printing capacity by only replacing the toner and/or drum, and being able to share the printer with my family, the Brother laser printer was definitely worth it. Overall, if you want a compact, simple to use, affordable, duplex printing, wireless, and black and white printer for yourself or family, I would recommend this printer. Thanks for watching, guys, and please comment with any questions.